Burning food. It's one of the most common complaint that we are seeing nowadays. This is common in almost all the age groups. And when you go to a doctor with this complaint, complaining of burning food, generally doctor will say you might be having the diabetes. If you say, sir, no, I checked my blood sugar level, it's absolutely normal. I don't have diabetes, still have some burning food. Then the doctor will say that you might be having vitamin deficiency, certain vitamin deficiency, so because of which you might be having this so burning food. So what are these vitamins which causes a burning food? It is the vitamin B. So these vitamin Bs, especially there are 8 vitamins are there in vitamin B. So among that, 4 vitamin B will result in deficiency of 4 vitamin Bs will result in burning food. So what are those? Vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin B9 as well as vitamin B12. So among these four, the most common vitamin B which results in burning food is vitamin B12. So what is this vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 also called as cobalamin. So this cobalamin is an essential nutrient, essential vitamin. So most important, most essential nutrient for our body. So how this vitamin B12 works? It works in 3 ways. So one is it helps in DNA synthesis. Our cell, our body cells will be, each cell will be having a nucleus. Within that nucleus, there is a genetic material which we call as DNA. And this DNA needs, it requires this presence of vitamin B12 for its replication. That is, for the development as well as the repair of the cell, need the presence of this vitamin B12. First thing. Secondly, RBC synthesis. So the RBC, that is the red blood cells. So these red blood cells synthesis requires the presence of vitamin B12. So there will be stages, different stages of red blood cells, RBCs development. Especially in that maturation of this RBCs requires the presence of vitamin B12. Third thing is, so when there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, it affects our nerves. So nerves need this vitamin B12 for the synthesis of the myelin sheath, that is the outermost coating of the nerves. So when there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, it results in irritability. The persons get irritated. Then the memory, lack of a memory will be there. And also along with that, most common complaint what we see is the pain as well as the burning sensation throughout the body. So needle pricking type of pain will be there. So along with the pain, the patient, the person will experience the burning sensation as well as the numbness. So this could be present throughout the body, but most commonly we encounter this burning, this numbness as well as this pain in the foot. Then what are we supposed to do? If you don't have symptoms of vitamin B12, then you need not bother about it and you need not test your vitamin B12 level. And if you have, even if you have symptoms of vitamin B12, then also you are not supposed, then you don't need to test your vitamin B12 level. So because it is quite expensive, testing vitamin B12 will be expensive. So for which instead of that, you can start your medications. If you have the symptoms of a vitamin B12 deficiency, severe symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, then only start the supplements, that is vitamin B12 supplements. If you have mild to moderate symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, you need not start medications. Instead of that, just changes, corrections in the diet will help to raise your vitamin B12 level. So don't get panic. Even if you have the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, that can be 100% reversed with lifestyle modification, changes in the diet. If you need precise and scientific information about the health, then only subscribe to our channel. Namaste.